Hello YouTube, this is Johnny. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to resolve this problem, the red X on your network adapter. This is the red X, as you can see. It says no connected device, and this is a problem that everyone is facing with these computers. So what you see here, I've tried to do the troubleshooting and we have the problem and it's not fixed, as you can see. So here they are saying that the cable is not connected and we are not resolving the network cables right now. So I'm going to close this and we go to this PC, then we go to manager. So when you go to manager, I want you to go ahead and click on device manager so that we go and check if we have the drivers that are missing. In our case here, or if you go to network adapters, we don't have any drivers missing and we don't see the wireless adapter here. So what we're going to do, I'm going to quickly show you how to solve this problem by going to the BIOS system. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to power off the computer and I'll be clicking F2 so that I go to the BIOS system after the computer shuts down very quickly. So you have to wait for it to shut down. In my case here, it's still showing that the computer is still shutting down. So when the computer shuts down, I'll be able to turn it on again. Then I'll click F2. So you have to wait for it a few seconds. Then the computer has gone off. So I'm going to power it on and then I double tap on F2 so that we go to the BIOS system. In the BIOS setup, this is what you're going to do. You're going to go down here and see wireless, and then you go to wireless switch. You have to enable these options. Enable. And this is the one which is very important, the wireless devices. And in your case, you have to apply. So here they're saying by enabling this, it to enable the internal wireless devices. So I'm going to click apply in order to save changes and click quit. So the computer will restart and to try to load Windows, which is going to, we have to wait for it. And this is a Dell Latitude E6400. So I have to wait for it to load the Windows. And this is a little bit faster, as you can see. Right now we have our problem resolved. As you can see here on the wireless network, it shows that not connected, but there are some networks connections are variable. So when I click on it, it will show me that I see some wireless network. I have def, and I'm going to be able to, if in your case this is off, I want you to enable it. So if we go back to the device manager, we are going to get when you go to manager, you right click and go to manager. This is what we are going to get. You have to wait for it because the Windows is just rebooting. So when you go to network adapters, you'll be able to see that the Dell wireless network wireless adapter is being detected and everything is now working very well. And this is how you enable. In some cases, your laptop may be just needing drivers. If you see something like this, like on the wireless adapter, you just upload the drivers. But in your case here, it was disabled through the BIOS system, and this is how it works. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel, comment for more help, click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload useful videos like this. Have a nice time. Goodbye.